Welcome to our quick guide on how to find comments on posts on Facebook, updated for the latest app layout. If you've ever scrolled past a post you commented on and wished you could revisit the exact responses, you're in the right place. This walkthrough will show how to locate those comments in just a few taps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. You'll start from your news feed or home screen. Look for the three horizontal lines, the menu icon, typically in the top right corner on most devices. Tap that to open the main menu. This is where Facebook brings together account settings, activity, and more in one place. From the menu, scroll and select Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. This path takes you into the broader control center for your Facebook experience. You'll notice several sections here that tailor your privacy, security, and activity. Next, find and tap Activity Log under your activity. The activity log is your personal archive of actions you've taken on Facebook, making it easier to review past posts, likes, shares, and comments. It's your transparent mirror of your social footprint. Within the activity log, you'll want to tap Interaction, then Comments. This sequence narrows your view to the exact comments you've made across posts. It's a handy way to track conversations you've started or joined without scrolling through countless feeds. Now you'll see a chronological list of the comments you've left. You can scroll to revisit specific discussions or use any available filters to narrow down results by date, post, or audience, depending on your app version. If you recall a particular post or group, a quick scan usually brings it back into view. If you don't immediately find a comment, try refining your search by adjusting the date range or revisiting the post's original author profile for additional context. The layout can vary slightly by device and app updates, but the core steps remain the same. Open Facebook, access the menu, go to Settings, open Activity Log, and view comments under Interactions. With these steps, you can efficiently locate any comment you've made, reconnect with conversations, and jump straight back into the dialogue.